Hi everybody, my name is Tracy, and yes, I am in my car. That is how my week has been between internship starting and work, and of course it's May, so craziness at my daughter's school. So please excuse any echoing or any people walking by my car. The type of agency where I am doing my field placement is with a hospital, so it's medical social work, which is completely new to me. I'm specifically working with two programs. I'm primarily in one, but I'll be assisting in another, that they work with low income mothers and families. Mothers who are first time mothers is one of the programs, and then the other program, or it's prenatal through 2 months of age, and then the other program picks up where that leaves off up to 2 years of age. So working with both of those programs, I'm doing some home visits, some counseling, some resource connections, some education. So I'm really looking forward to it. The first 2 days have been great so far. Excuse me. What I'm hoping to get out of the field placement is just more experience with diverse populations, more experience, or just experience in general in medical social work. I'm looking to be challenged and really, I guess, be put in situations where I'm not necessarily 100% comfortable. Another program that a smaller piece of my internship will be working with a program that is for mothers who are doing medical assisted treatment for opioid use who are pregnant, and I've always kind of struggled personally with addiction. Not I haven't had addiction, but I struggle with people who have had addiction and how to treat them, and I've always had a very negative mindset as far as that's concerned. So I'm really looking forward to that, because I think that'll push me to learn something new and put me in an area I'm not as comfortable with. But anyway, and field seminar, I'm really hoping just for some camaraderie, to hear different experiences, to be able to bounce ideas off of people and get that feedback. And how I expect this to be different than my first one. Well, my first one, I was actually doing casework and working with children and families, but it was in an elementary school, so much different setting. This will be a lot more home-based, and like I said, it'll be medically focused, which is totally different than the last one. This is also a much larger team. At the first placement, it's just me and my supervisor. This is a group of about 15 to 20, all women, social workers. And so there's a whole different kind of culture in that as well. So that'll definitely be different. So I think that's everything. I look forward to working with everybody this semester, and I hope everybody is enjoying their field placement so far. Bye.